Hello, it's Angelo Pucci and welcome to our newest listing at 85 Barkdale Way in central Whitby. This beautiful townhome features 3 bedrooms, open concept, living room, but Kim is standing by. Kim, are you down there?
I am, and I'm good to go.
Let's take it away.
Welcome to 85 Barkdale Way, a beautifully maintained 3-bedroom condominium townhome situated within Whitby's Pringle Creek community. Featuring a single-car garage and an interlocking walkway to its covered main entrance, this home opens into a spacious ceramic-tiled foyer with a mirrored door coat closet, and the foyer also has access to a large storage room combined with a laundry area that has potential to be transformed into additional household living space. The staircases to both the main and upper levels are complete with oak railings and finished with cozy carpeting, which can also be found throughout most of the home. The main level has a soft, neutral color palette and features an open concept space which is well suited as an intimate living room or as a formal dining area. Nestled off the staircase landing is a powder room with ceramic flooring and a pedestal sink, and next to it is a mirrored door double coat closet for the convenience of the home's secondary covered entrance from the sidewalk. The door's transom mirrors the arched entry of the portico, which is accented with stone and framed with cedars and shrubs, and a columned half-wall separates the ceramic-tiled foyer from the living room while maintaining an open flow between the spaces. Just off this foyer is a double French door entry into the light-filled family room, and its large picture window comes with a light diffusing blind that also gives the room a sense of privacy. Completing the main level is the spacious kitchen and its breakfast area. Filled with soft natural light and finished with ceramic flooring, the kitchen also features a center island, abundant cabinetry storage and counter workspace, as well as a stainless steel double sink and appliances. Off the kitchen is a walkout onto a large south-facing balcony. Off the kitchen is a walkout onto a large south-facing balcony, which offers plenty of outdoor space for summertime entertaining and year-round barbecuing. The upper level features 3 spacious bedrooms, with the second bedroom having a double closet and the third bedroom having a walk-in closet, while large windows in both rooms allow for abundant natural lighting. The main 4-piece washroom is finished with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and the linen closet is conveniently located right outside its door. The graciously sized master bedroom showcases a contemporary chandelier, California shutters on its south-facing windows, as well as a walk-in closet, and is complete with a 4-piece ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes, a soaker tub, and a separate walk-in shower area. Just steps to public transit and Whitby Civic Park, this wonderful home is also close to a recreation complex and a neighborhood plaza, while big box shopping plazas, conservation areas, access to highways 401 and the 407, as well as Whitby's vibrant downtown core and its beautiful waterfront are all just short drives away.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour. As we said, beautiful townhome, 3 bedrooms, beautiful kitchen. Give us a call, 416-627-4610 for your private viewing. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram at AngeloPucci_real estate. Thank you.